You'll be immortalised on YouTube, by the way. Really good. Made it to the Bourke Street Mall. We'll walk down each side. I am armed with money for buskets. Let's do it. Dodge the religious fanatics.
Gospel message.
Including the gospel message. we love Melbourne, everyone. It's very cool. And remember, always tip your buskers. Well, they will not be there when you come back. Take serious guts to do that, aside from talent. And I know because I do it. It's a hard thing to do. And no one stops and gives buskers money anymore. And they're putting their heart on the line. So cough up a little bit and make the whole world a little bit happier. And they'll be there for you next time. We'll enjoy some more of that on the way back. So this is the end of the Bourke Street Mall here, Elizabeth Street ahead. If you do come out the bottom end of Flinders Street, it will take you to Elizabeth Street and you can walk straight up this way. So normally, depending on where you are on the platform at Flinders Street determines how you get here. So across the road from us we've got the General Post Office, which is now closed, but one of our heritage listed buildings, and what they call the People's Purse sitting there as well, with something sitting on top of it. That is the People's Purse. You're looking good.
Yeah, and also, you know what? Only at Doso, only $3.30 per
double fare.
Double. I think the best day of my life would be a good one.
I feel like we need song.
Now I can get the bubbles out of my face. The beautiful bride. Alright. Do you have anything else for the beautiful bride today?
And this bag. That's what. Now I don't know how thrifty you were meant to be on step one.
God, you made my day, by the way. You look bloody awesome.
So you guys could really smash it out.
Right, I'm gonna smash it.
Okay, so the idea now is you've given the princess her beautiful present. Beautiful. Take a photo with her and ask her if she wants to pose in any way. The best photos will get extra points. At the end, we'll tally up.
I think she needs to sing a song.
I feel like, yeah.
Can you have a smile, please? Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's very artistic, Rory.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Oh yeah, Rory's actually the photographer.
Yeah. Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah. If you want me to pose, Rory, tell me what to do.
Turn this way.
Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel alone. Thank you, you made my day, everyone. I hope it goes well. You'll be immortalised on YouTube, by the way. Grass. So you never know what's going to happen in Melbourne. The Busker we were looking at just before. Unfortunately didn't have any details or I would promote him. Dire Straits Sultan of Swing, I think. Sultans of Swing. It is Sultans of Swing. Let's see if I can remember any of the lyrics. Buskers. I've been seeing his face for, I reckon, a good 20 years. There we go. Let's strap to some Sultans of Swearing. This is Jordan Ravi here, who I filmed a few weeks ago on a live stream. Really good. Okay. Hopefully. Bit of Michael Jackson, hey, why not? I've only got the words for eat it in my head, which doesn't help. So beat it, just beat it. Yeah.
Can I see it?
And back to Swanston Street. So there we go, everyone. We've done a walk from Flinders Street Station up to the Bourke Street Mall, and then we've had a walk down each side of the Bourke Street Mall. We've had a lot of fun along the way. A little silly, nice little song. Some awesome music. So goodbye. Thanks for joining me here in Melbourne City on the Bourke Street Mall on Saturday, enjoying a little sunshine. And here, before we end our journey, a few more trams down Swanston Street, and the clicking from up pedestrian crossings that was sampled by Billie Eilish. Bad guy. More places to go, more buskers to see. Until next time, everyone. Bye. I've been walking tours with Violet.